Yeah, hi everyone. Good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is going to be regarding gold investment and how gold is different than other modes of investing your money. So first of all, please go through the disclaimer thoroughly. World Gold Council has published this data. So it shows that in last 20 years, basically if you compare the annual average returns, gold is performing as well as the US equities market are performing. Right. So the returns are on par with the equities. Whereas if we see that during some crisis or some downturns, when the US equities are not performing as well, the gold is still giving positive returns. It shows you that, whenever there are some economic crises, whenever there are some war-like situations, or in case of rising inflation, gold will always appreciate and give you positive returns on your investments. This chart also gives you some insights on how the central banks of the world are, their perspective is on gold. So this shows you the amount of gold that the central banks have bought and the amount of gold that some of the central banks of some of the countries have sold basically. So if you see, Poland alone is buying more gold than the rest of the world central banks selling. Right. So effectively, the central banks of the world have bought around 1,000 tons of gold, which shows you that central banks are also very bullish on gold. So please consider this insight also while you are trying to diverge your investment into different instruments. Here is another interesting insight for you guys. So this chart shows you the percentage of investors who believe that central banks are going to continue buying more and more gold in coming years, right? So 95% of the investors think that in 2025 the central bank gold reserves are going to get increased, right? So that means it shows you that central banks are also very bullish on gold, and for coming, I think for coming multiple years, the returns on gold are going to get much better and much consistent, and are going to be on par with the equities market. So please consider these insights also while you are trying to diversify your portfolio to different instruments. And I hope that this presentation gave you some good insights and good clarity in terms of gold investments. So thank you so much uh, for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye.